Hi, and welcome to Dripify, the most trusted sales automation tool transforming lead generation for thousands of businesses worldwide. In this video tutorial, I'd like to introduce you to an amazing data enrichment feature in Dripify, Email Finder, a tool that allows you to find the corporate email address of any profile available on LinkedIn. Let's see how it works in Dripify and how you can use it in your sales process. We're in the Dripify dashboard, and now let's go ahead and create a quick campaign. We click New Campaign, and now we need to add leads to this campaign. Let's add some quick leads from a basic LinkedIn search. Great, now we give this list a name. Create a custom sequence. As you can see in this list, there is Find Email as one of the actions you can use in your outreach sequence. If you use it, Dripify will try to find the corporate email addresses of those LinkedIn profiles you added to this campaign, one by one. Each email found through Email Finder is pre-verified, which means it's validated for authenticity to make sure emails can be delivered there. The exact algorithm of Email Finder is quite complex, but we've briefly explained it in our article, the link to which you can find in the description of this video tutorial if you'd like to learn more. As you can see here in the sequence, after adding the Find Email action, Dripify checks whether the Email Finder attempt was successful, as there is a chance Dripify may fail to locate the person's email address, and whether the lead now has an email address. If an email is found, that's great. We can proceed to send emails to the lead. If no email is available, we can focus on closing the lead through LinkedIn using connection requests, messages, or InMails. Now let's move to the leads page. From here, you can use the Email Finder by clicking the Find Email button. If you see gray text saying Email Not Found, as shown here, it means Dripify recently attempted to find the email address but was unsuccessful, and you cannot try again at the moment. Let's open one of the lead profiles. Here, you'll see their LinkedIn email, retrieved from their LinkedIn profile, either if it's publicly available or after becoming a first-level connection with them. You'll also see their corporate email, which is the one found through the Email Finder. If Dripify successfully finds the lead's email address, whether through the Find Email action in a campaign sequence or by manually clicking the Find Email button, it will be displayed right here. It's important to note that the success rate of finding emails depends on the quality of your leads and the information available on their LinkedIn profiles. On average, Dripify successfully finds a lead's business email about 45 to 55% of the time. But, as I mentioned before, this success rate can vary based on the quality and completeness of the target LinkedIn profiles. Keep in mind that Dripify deducts one Email Finder credit from your balance for every email successfully found. If Dripify fails to locate an email, no credit will be deducted. As part of your Dripify subscription, regardless of your plan, you receive 100 Email Finder credits per month for free. If you need additional credits, you can easily upgrade your Email Finder plan to accommodate your needs. Dripify's Email Finder is one of the most popular features among our users. It allows you to go beyond LinkedIn connection requests and messages by receiving verified email addresses of your target audience and continuing your outreach through email. By combining the abilities of LinkedIn with the personal touch of email, you can significantly boost your chances of closing deals. I hope this video gave you valuable insights into this powerful feature and helped you generate ideas you can implement in your company. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. Happy prospecting, and I'm looking forward to seeing your success with Dripify.